All right, I gotta start streaming too. Shit. All right, YouTube and Kick. We might have some technical difficulties today. My camera might die again. I left it on all last night like an idiot. Um, but I tried to charge it just for like 10 minutes now. We'll see if she lasts. I doubt she will for a full hour. So if it does cut out, I'll try and switch it to my other camera, the TikTok one, but the quality's not going to be as good. But I want to be able to get a live view just in case we do take a trade, and go from there. Yeah, I have a Sony camera. That's for my YouTube and stuff. It's better quality than what we're using for Discord and what we use for TikTok. But coming into the day, I wanted to see if we were going to continue bearish, or I mean bullish. But before I determine that, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I wanted to see if we were going to disrespect this 4-hour bearish for value gap. Originally yesterday, this is the 4-hour bearish for value gap we came into and respected heavily. So we came into this order block here also today, and I want to see if we're going to respect it again. We had this 4-hour high above that I wanted to see us sweep out. ES already swept this out like 2 days ago or last week. This 4-hour high. So I want to see if we're going to either close above this 4-hour fair value gap or react off of it. We also marked out data highs today because we had non-farm at 8:30, but we came up, we swept out data highs as NASDAQ came up and swept out data highs in these 4-hour highs. We broke structure in the 5-minute time frame, and now we are dumping. So if we end up taking out this sell side liquidity on market open, I'm probably not even going to trade. It's going to make me not want to. But we already inversed this 15-minute fair value gap. I would like to get a solid retrace on market open. If we can, that would be great, and then we could just trade right away. But I think we're going to end up just dumping, dude. We have all this sell side down below. We're reacting heavily off of it. And the market's just the way they've been lately. They just suck. So, yeah. And it looks like we're not going to, this sucks. We'll see. We'll see. We still have a chance. Yeah. And we'll go from there. We'll see if we can get our setup if we want. I would love to get a 5-minute retrace right now. But again, the market's going to do whatever the hell it wants at the end of the day. So, we form a 15-minute over here, and we did. We have all these low resistance draws that I would love to target, man. Ay, 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 papi. Oh, we already took out London session. I don't trade pre-market. I assume this is a 4-hour low down here. Oh my god. We have so many draws below, dude. Like, the sell side has to get taken, in my opinion. Doesn't have to, but it's like, fuck. I know you want it. Look at all this shit. So much sell side down below. They say so much. What do you want to do, market? Coming in this 5-minute fair value gap here on ES. We came out, we already swept out London session lows. See what we get. What's good, Nobi? What's up, guys? Who just joined? Wow, Apex is running off an 80% sale with $35 resets. Wow. What happened yesterday, Nobi? Yeah, I wanted to ask you, but you left. What up, John? What up? John, I still gotta text you back. I'll text you back after this. Listen, we have a 15-minute fair value gap above with we're in a 5-minute right now, but I'd rather wait for the 15-minute fair value gap to get filled because it's higher time frame, holds higher power, in my opinion. We came down, we swept out London session low. We didn't form a 5-minute SMT yet. Let's see off this candle. But again, off market open, we disrespect the 15-minute fair value gap after sweeping a higher time frame draw and data high, coming into a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Juna? What do we want? Crack. Dude, maybe I'm trying to think. If we did come down, take out London session, we're gonna form this 5-minute SMT probably. I'm staying patient right now, dude. We're coming back. Oh my god. Wow. All the people who just went short just got their balls kicked into their throat. FYI. Staying patient though. All right, I'm gonna X out this data high in these 1 minute. I'm staying patient. We came into the 15-minute fair value gap. We're coming back into this 5-minute order block. If we disrespect these, I'm going to switch my bias to bullish. But we're back into that 15-minute fair value gap. That's what I wanted to see. Let's see. We formed a 15-minute high. We formed a 15-minute high here. I want to keep that in mind. This was a 4-hour high we swept. I'm going to X out this 1 minute here. I don't really care about it anymore. Bro, is it? Bro. Still got how much time? 4 minutes and 46 seconds to this 15-minute candle closure. Oh, we've equal highs on NASDAQ on the 1 minute. We've equal highs. I think we're going to come up to these equal highs. I'm not taking an entry here because my stop loss has to be all the way below this low. It's a 100-point stop. What'd you do here, a second. Is this considered a pullback? Oh my God, how early I'm done for the day. There you go, J. Cole. I know, swept draws left and right. I know. We came from sweeping a 4-hour high to sweeping a London session high. Now we're continuing back up. I'm just gonna stay patient right now. I don't like these 1 minute equal highs though. If I want to start going short, that's the only thing. I would like to take those out before. I'm gonna X out this 4-hour high because we know we swept out a 4-hour high. Okay, we know that. But if we're going to be bullish, the next draw is going to be up here, these 4-hour highs. But I really want to see how we start reacting off of this area. Because we're back in this 5-minute order block. We tap into a 5-minute order block. Scale back down to the 1 minute time frame. I'd like to see a 1 minute break of structure. I think we're about to form a 1 minute S&T. Nope, high and lower high. We swept out this 1 minute high already on ES. That's up here where the equal highs are. But I don't like going in the opposite direction when we have equal highs. Those always end up getting swept. Usually. So I want to wait right now. There you go. There you go. Don't forget to post the wins and losses chats for me, dudes. Already doing it. Good job. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. 15-minute candle closes in 1 minute. We still haven't disrespected that 15-minute fair value gap. Higher from the 1 minute SMT. I'd like to see a 1 minute break of structure to the downside. 1 minute fair value gap fill. 1 minute inverse fair value gap something. I'm going to stay out of this right now because I feel like people are going to start going short here. Again, we'll see if it starts to play out, but we do have these equal 1 minute highs. I don't like going short against equal highs. I need to see confirmation. Next up, wow, here we go. Let's see if this is the spot. We tapped into a 5. I don't really trade order blocks much anymore. We came to a 5-minute order block, 15-minute fair value gap. We swept a 4-hour high already. Scaled out to the 1 minute time frame after we get a retrace back up. Let's see. I want to stay patient here though. I want to see a break of structure on the 1 minute to start confirming. I don't think we formed a new low here on ES. We haven't yet, but we inversed that fair value gap. We did get an inverse. This fucking fly. He's here from yesterday again. I'm gonna get you, motherfucker. Come on, come back over here. I don't care about this 1 minute right now. Mm-hmm. 15-minute candle closure. We respected it. And we're in 15-minute equilibrium, marked from the most recent high to the most recent low. Dude, we have potential here. We have potential here. We have potential here. See, look at this shit. We haven't inversed this 1 minute yet. I want to see 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute inverse, and then I'll probably scale. I'll stay on the 1 minute and look for a continuation confluence before I go short. Because look how we're respecting this 1 minute right now. And we have equal highs on the 1 minute time frame on NASDAQ. And NASDAQ's the one that's lagging behind and staying in this fair value gap. Yeah, ES is showing us it wants to continue lower. But I don't want to get faked out because we didn't break structure on the 1 minute yet on ES. We didn't create a new low like we did over here on NASDAQ. So we have the potential to come into these. We have another 1 minute fair value gap right here that we're about to respect. And this could push us up and we could come out and take out that equal high if I wanted to take a short. I really don't want to trade against equal highs. But again, you could consider going long here, putting your stop below this low or this candle's body and targeting these draws. That's always a possibility too. But again, I'm just going to wait. We formed a 5 minute fair value gap actually too. Look. Did we on ES? No. Ooh. All right, we tapped into the 5 minute. Let's see if we inverse this. Let's see if we respect it inverse. We got a minute and 30 seconds left. If we inverse it too, we're going to break. Oh my God. Oh, we might get it. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Don't do it yet. Come on. Don't do it yet. 1 minute. All right, this candle closed. Let's get a little bit of a retrace here. Don't dump on us. Don't dump on us. Come on. Let's see this 5-minute candle closure. Let's see if we inverse this 5-minute fair value gap. That's going to be bullish confluence is getting disrespected. Bearish confluence is getting respected. After that big drop in the beginning too. Respecting that 4-hour bearish fair value gap. We came into a 5-minute order block. We never broke structure back to the upside. Let's see. Let's see. It's going to be right at the macro too. 13 seconds. We inverse the 5-minute. Oh my God, this is a big stop, dude. This is a big stop. I'm waiting. I'm staying patient. I'm staying patient. Oh my God. Oh. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Two five six two seven and 25595. 25627. I'll keep it at 29 and 25595. I'm in. Break even. We'll be at this low. Let's see, ladies. Let's see if they get me here again, man. Oh, God. Really? Wow, dude, maybe the strat's patched. That's nuts. Good setup, too. Good setup. That's crazy work, bro. Wow. It ain't over yet, but wow. That's crazy work. I don't like that reaction right off of that like that. Dude, and we inverse the 5-minute too? Like, what is this shit? I mean, we formed a 1-minute bullish. We're probably going to respect this and get stopped out. Hi, yi, yi. Come on, trading gods. Can you inverse this fair value gap for me? Or are you just going to fucking respect it? How much time till news? 5 minutes too? Oh, Lord. We need the stress ball. We need the stress. Oh, come on. Oh, my God. Is this going to be another day like the other time where we come down to break even and we're just going to go right back up? Is this going to be another time or is this going to play out this time? Oh. Oh my God, dude. We inversed it. Oh, we didn't inverse it. We inversed it. We did inverse it on ES. Why are you fucking with us? Why are you fucking with us? I really want to just cut this right now and just wait for news to drop. But watch me cut it and then it's going to fucking go in our direction. I want to hold it because we inversed that 1 minute like the way we did. But I just don't like how we're not flushing through. Come on. News drops in like 3 minutes. Or not even, like 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck me. Look at this 5-minute candle, guys. Sellers want to step in, it looks like, but it's just like, again, it's the same shit as the other day. The same shit as the other day. And we came back above it. And we still have those equal 1-minute highs up top, dude. And news is about to drop. Yeah. I might get crushed here. Trading is hard. I don't give a shit what anybody says. Trading is hard. Alright, let's see if I get cooked on news. Probably gonna. Oh, I should just cut it at break even. The emotional side of trading. Motherfuckers. I'm at break even right now. Just came out bullish too. These type of trades suck. They really do. These type of trades suck ass. Spread the cheeks and suck on ass. You heard me. You heard me. Dump! You have sell side below. Just dump! No! Stop! We swept a 5-minute high. We did sweep a 5-minute high. Dump! 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 Let's go! Oh my god! What is that? Oh. Oh. These motherfuckers, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, you dirty hoe. Alright, well, that was our chance there. Now I don't like this at all. Yeah. I'm getting hoed this week. Getting hoed. I'm getting hoed. I'm getting hoed. So you're telling me there's still a chance? Or should I just cut it here and save some profit? Or just accept it? Let's spin the fidget. If it lands on sell, like, what is this price action? We're caught in the chop again? Like, we're just fighting the buyers right now. It said liquidate. My fidget spinner said liquidate. Listen, we're down 13K on the fucking week. If you people are new in here and you're seeing me stressing out, that's why. Because I've been getting piped like this. Straight piper. I've been getting pipe city'd. And ES is gonna dump! ES is gonna dump! Listen, motherfucker. Listen, motherfucker. You're gonna do it here, and you're gonna go. You understand? And you're gonna go. Where's this 15-minute low? You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. Let's go. Right now, right here, right now. Go. You behemoth. Yeah, I haven't chose to sit with a trade with my nuts right now too, but we're gonna let our nuts hang for once right now, Wing Wong. See if it fucks us in the butt. But again, I'm just accepting the risk that I put on the table. But these trades are always so emotional when you're down fucking so much, and it's like you get your stop loss edge, and then it comes back down, you get your stop loss edge. It's like, come on. I just want to see green. I just want to see a green trade. I just want it to hit. That's it. ES took out 15-minute low that we already took out. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Moving stop down. Moving stop down, not to break even. Saving risk. Let's see if we're going to reverse off this 15-minute low. Let's go. Come on. I'm going to take a partial at this low. All right, I'm break even. All right, look, I'm going to secure one here. I'm securing one here. Just because, again, we've been getting piped. I'm securing one here just in case we reverse. Okay? I still have one more runner. We have a 15-minute low down here. I'm going to try and let it run to Asian session lows. We're going to go for an 84-point trade. 25627 I'm going for a full runner. Full runner. We're letting this last runner do its thing. Okay? I'm at break even. First take profit was 52-point trade. Final take profits being at Asian session low. Smack. Go! Let's go! Come on! Yes! Come on! Boo! Fuck! My asshole's this tight right now, dude. Holy shit! Finally! Oh, how much do we make? Fuck, with 2 micros, dude. I would have been shitting my pants if that was with 3. 83-point trade. Sorry if I was a little emotional on that one, bro, but fuck. All right, we made 5K almost on that trade. All right, still a little bit less than our losers on this one, but this was a 2-trade losing. So again, we still made more than one of our trades we made on this and stuff. So again, I'll take it. I'll fucking take it. I wanted to secure a profit, but fuck. Listen, people. This is the part that nobody shows in trading of how emotional. I don't care. Like I talked to Mr. T Long last night. You still in here? And he texted me and he's like, "How is it like so easy?" Like, and I told him, I was like, "Dude, it's not. Like, again, you still are always gonna have emotion, and it's always gonna be there. But discipline keeps you to follow your plan, and we stay disciplined on that damn trade. We trusted it. Yeah, I was probably stressing out a little bit, and you can call me whatever you want. But look, dude, we came up like 3 times, almost getting stopped out. I had my stop literally above this most recent high, so I almost got stopped here. It literally edged my take profit or my stop loss. Yeah, it was a 1 to 1.5, but it was an 83-point trade. I wanted to target Asian session lows. We're probably going to continue lower and take out all these lows down below. But, bro, after being down 13K on the fucking week, and now we're down only 8, not only, but we're down 8.73. But shit, we made $241 per account with 2 micros. Did you change rooms? Yeah, I did, Nobi. But fuck, guys, wow. Look, we formed a 5-minute fair value gap here too. We'd be break even, but I'm fine cutting it today. I ain't getting no FOMO or nothing. Reason why I held it too, and I'm gonna make this in the series. I think Pro Man's still in here. We swept the 15-minute low on ES, but I cut one there for a reason, just in case for a retrace to cut us back out of break even. But the reason why I held it is because Asian session, and this is a 4-hour low too. This is an Asian session / 4-hour low. That's a stronger draw than a 15-minute low, right? So we would expect price to just keep continuing down through that 15-minute low and power straight through it, which it did today, right? But we still had the potential to just do one more retrace up, stop people out of break even, continue lower. So that's why I took a partial. And that's with 2 micros, dude. 2 micros. Wing Wong hit 230 per account, and I hit 241. Like with 2 micros. If we went 3 micros on that trade, we would have been risking around like 350 per account, and I'm not in the mental space to do that right now, and I'll be honest, after being down 3K, 13K. Look at this. Let's make ourselves feel better here. See if we would have been stopped out at break even if we let this runner run. Because I was going to let it run to here. But I remember this is a 4-hour / Asian session low, so I was fine with taking it there. Still at 83-point trade, 83.50. Did everybody take profit? Ring Wong? That's why we do it. This is an hourly low. Below this, right? This is an hourly low, 4-hour / Asian session low. We're going to have a more chance of reacting off of this draw instead of coming down to this draw. And this is at how much point of a gap? It's only 20 points, but still, you could see we're probably going to retrace up a little bit and maybe continue back down. I don't know. But dude, that setup was there. I was telling you, right at the macro. That was like literally A+ setup, and we still took it. With our balls getting kicked in this whole week. Excuse me. Yeah, so even on our biggest loss the other day, we almost double this loss. And we still have a little bit more than this loss. Again, this loss was meant to be a $250 loss. That's why I cut it that day, because this is like taking two losses, as you can see on this day. But wow, guys, the market's really been testing us lately. I had my stop above this candle's high, right here. I had it at 25765. Price came up to 25763, 2 points away. I mean, I got to wipe my losses away from this week, so I'm Gucci. Yeah, good shit. Carpet, you are late. We hit a trade. Finally. We hit a trade. We made 5K today. 4.8K. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Again, the reason why I only went 2 micros on this trade, guys, it was a 54-point stop. So let's see if I went 54 points, 3 micro, E-mini. Yeah, I would have been risking 324 per account. I would have been risking 324 times 20. I would have been risking 6.5K again. Yeah, no. And we almost got stopped out too. So I'm good with that. Now we can live happily. Listen, it's good in the moment, Pro Man. But again, the job ain't done yet, and it's never gonna be done. We got to keep doing this shit. We could be excited for like 5-10 minutes, like we were when the trade hit, but we still got a lot of fucking work to do. We still got to get out of this drawdown. We still got to get 8.73K back, and I'm not gonna focus on trying to get it back right away. Like today, I liked the risk that I took. We accepted the risk, and we held the trade, and it played out. Me a year ago, I would have cut that trade multiple times. And I'm glad I have Mr. Wing Wong in here too, because again, he holds with me usually. No, I was driving. No, you good. Be careful. Don't be texting and driving. All right, that one felt good finally, because again, I've been having a lot of people talking shit. Mr. T Long, I think that's the hardest part with mentally trading is just the people who talk shit. And again, I usually don't care what people say, because when I used to wrestle all the time, people always talk shit. But again, whether I should or shouldn't, I'm holding. Yeah, I like that, Wing Wong. We followed our system there. We followed our trade, and we trusted the trade. He just came out bearish too, and I said it came out bullish. That just shows you like my mind on that trade. I was stressing out like a retard. But again, wow. Wow. That was a dog fight. I don't give a fuck about that. Yeah, no, me neither. But again, sometimes it just gets in your damn head. It gets annoying sometimes. That's why I always tell you guys, you got to believe in yourself, trust in your system. Nobody sees the time you put in. Nobody sees the times you fail. And you'll have your real people. And that's why I love all you guys in here, like Nobi, Pro Man, Wing Wong, Carpet, Brian. You guys still show up every day. You just don't leave because you see me lose a couple trades. And you guys have, when you guys are the ones that show up every single day to see, hey, we're more profitable than we are losing. And then you have the people who just come in for 1 or 2 days, and those are the days they come in and I lose, unfortunately, and then they leave, right? So again, you guys see the long-term aspect, and that's why all you guys are going to be good traders, and we're all going to be good traders as a group. And I can't wait till this fucking Discord's big and we still have all you guys in here. And yeah, you guys are the OGs that stuck around while we were in the hard times. Yes, sir. Yep, it happens, Nobi. See why though, Nobi? Again, I was telling you what sometimes with like risk and stuff like that. Because on the losing days when it does happen, dude, and it's gonna happen, we're gonna have losing days, losing months, losing weeks, and some people are just like, no, dude, I'm gonna keep winning and winning. And I'm not saying that's you, Nobi. I'm just saying, but again, this is why me and Wing Wong have been risking the way we've been risking, because when you lose and when you go on multiple losing streaks, those are the time where your risk management is gonna help you survive. That's what we prepare for, and it's gonna happen. It's really gonna happen. Yep. And we got to come back from it, and that's the hard part, because you can act as tough as you want and act like, again, you see it with all these people, like even like Andrew Tate and some of these people on Kick. These people act so tough on camera and act like they're big alpha males and everything like that, but you really get tested when you get put into the situation, right? The real you comes out when you get put into the stressful situation. All that talk is going to go out the window. So when you are in drawdown, when you're about to blow your accounts, when you're losing multiple trades in a row, when you're doing the right things but you're still losing and your confidence gets wrecked, it's how are you going to react? Are you going to be able to back that up and actually just stick to your system, stay disciplined and be patient and trust the process? Or are you going to keep revenge trading, over risking to get your profits back, doing the wrong things? Like, the real you is going to come out in any stressful situation. And I learned that through wrestling. When you get put in a tough situation, you're getting your ass beat, the real you is going to come out. And that's just part of life. And Nobi, you probably understand that with football and everything, because again, you're an athlete, and we probably have a couple other athletes in here. But when you get put under pressure, it all those mistakes and all those losses and all those times that you failed, that's what's going to help you be able to survive in those times. Yeah. So again, I think being an athlete really does show that. Again, I brought up the Andrew Tate thing. That guy's got hundreds of millions of dollars. He's doing way better than me, I'll be honest. I'm not talking shit, but we saw, if you guys watched his fight, dude, and that guy talks all shit about he could beat up anybody, and it was just like, oh, it was retarded. Even though he used to be a good fighter, he is old, but I don't like talking shit on people, but you get what I'm saying. This is going to be on YouTube, too. So it's probably going to get clipped one day if we do make it. Andrew Tate, I'll take your Bugatti. I'm just kidding. All right. I don't like talking shit on people. I don't like doing that stuff. I'm not talking shit. I'm just trying to make a point. That's it. I'm not a shit talker. I want everybody to do well. He's doing better than me, so I can't say much, but I'm just saying. Yeah. T8 send your code. What, the Apex code, or send the code to Tate? Oh, okay. It's just Team Astro. Here, uppercase. Thank you, sir. Yeah, guys, they're 80% off. I'll post it in the discount section. Thank you. I really appreciate when you guys use my code. It helps out. Even though it's a couple dollars, dude, it still helps me keep moving forward, doing my dream every single day. So, and appreciate the support of people using it. Oh, no typo at the end. Sorry, here. Thank you. Like that. That one. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, if you guys ever need the discount code, it's always in the discount code section. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, we hit a trade today. Look at that exit. We held the trade. That's all we can do. Let's keep bouncing back and doing the right things. Whether we take a loss next trade or not, we're going to keep doing the right things. We're going to trust our system, trust our sizing. And I appreciate every single one of you guys that stays and does this stuff. Even you, Brian. I know you don't talk a lot, but we love you, Brian. W. All right, I'm going to end the Kick stream and the YouTube stream. We'll get this posted up. Andrew Tate, if you ever hear this, you're cool. I don't know what to say. Whatever. Peace out.